Hey guys, welcome back. And today I am with my sister Jillian. Go check out her channel. What is it? Chubby Puppies?
It's Dogs Rule.
Dogs Rule. And today we're going to be opening up some Shopkins.
Yeah,
So,
hold on. I need a bag of chips first. Okay, I finished. Okay, let's start.
just gonna tear it apart. Here, let me help. Poke a hole. Poke it. Poke it. I think I got it. I think I made a hole. No, I didn't. You know what? I can't get that. That's hard. Wait. Oh, there we go. All right.
Okay, guys.
So do these ones first.
Yes. Okay. So
Pop
it
them
looks
out.
like we first have the Welch's grape
Jelly.
jelly. The same thing that we use for us. Go get it. I think it's the same brand.
It looks like it. Yeah, except it's a Shopkins brand. Haha. Funny. Yeah, I know. Funny. All right.
So this is what we have.
So compared, they're kind of
We
the same.
sometimes get that kind, but I think we usually just stick to this.
Yeah, okay. But if as you guys can see, you can like open it, and then with the Shopkin that she is getting out right now, get out the Shopkin.
Let's see if we can come out this way. Okay.
Okay,
Here's
so
the Shopkin
here's the
jelly.
Shopkin. You can put it into the jelly, and then you put the bottom back on. Ooh, and then you have jelly with the Shopkin inside. All right.
And then you have this.
You can open up get the Pringles can and get 2 more.
Yumsies. All right,
And,
guys. Let's pop it open.
There we go.
Yes.
Now
So,
pull out that.
let's see what we have in here. Whoa, guys.
Oh my gosh!
look at
Oh my
that.
gosh!
Wait, there's some Pringles in here. With some, there's only 3 left.
I do. That was good.
Yeah, so let's see what's in
You're
here.
gonna open up 3. Do you want me to get some scissors? Hold on. Let me
Oh,
get
there's
some.
a top.
If there is pot pie, you can use them. Here we go, guys. We got our scissors. And as I said in my last video, not in my last video, but I don't know how to edit with my friend Abby when we did the sleepover gals. I don't know how to edit, so that's why I didn't edit. But there are the scissors, and let's
All
see
right,
what
everybody.
can happen. Oh my gosh!
famous-
Oh no, we have the same one of this. Darn it! Okay, that's sad. All right, get
Does we
3 of
have
them out.
extra? Okay.
Oh yes, 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 yes! Oh yes, 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 yes,
All
yes.
right, we have the Twinkle
Wait, is there
Toes.
anything else in here? Nope.
Nope.
Okay, so choose 3 of them that you want to do.
So 3 of them that, okay, so I want to do, where do you have the Rice Krispies?
But
I'll
it's
do
okay, we
Twinkle
can-
Toes.
No, I want to do those.
Okay. Twinkle Toes and the Orville, the popcorn, whatever.
Popcorn, other popcorn.
And I want to do the waffles. Wait, what's this?
Okay, and then.
No. Have to do the waffles.
Okay. So open up those 3.
Let's
And
start
I'll
off
do
with the
these
sketches.
guys.
Oh, wow. Looks like we're going to need my trusty old scissors.
Oh jeez, that literally probably made me.
Okay, that was actually really easy. Oh,
Oh my gosh, that's literally sparkling. Wait, put it in the box and then open up the box and see what it's like when you open
I'm
it.
gonna try on some shoes, and I'm at the shoe store. I got a little Twinkle Toes box, and open it up. Oh, the most beautiful
Hallelujah.
shoes.
Try it on!
Hallelujah. It's beautiful.
It totally fits.
Wait,
you should
is
totally
it
get
on the
those.
wrong foot? Yeah, it's a wrong foot.
There you go. That fits. You should definitely get those. Yeah.
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 No wonder why.
I think they're like $157. So yeah,
I
good.
think
Let's
I'm
get
rich.
them.
No, I'm just kidding, I'm not rich.
We're not rich.
I feel poor sometimes. Next is the Eggo waffles. Next,
trim my fingers off.
I'm gonna cut off your heads, guys.
Ew. I mean, that's yeah,
Yeet.
messed up.
Yeet.
Kind of.
Yeet. Yeet.
By the way, guys, she's in middle school.
Yeah, I know. I don't look like it.
All right.
Hallelujah.
It's a waffle, guys. It's like literally a waffle. Do you see that? It just went into the Eggos box. That's okay.
Do you have all these?
I have those ones, and I have these ones and the Rice Krispies.
Do you have these?
No, I have. Wait, let me go get. All right, so we have the Boca popcorn, the Eggos, and I have Skechers. We'll get to go those later, guys.
All right.
First, we'll go.
Let's open this up. Trusty old scissors again.
Alrighty, what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? I don't know why I showed that.
Who's gonna get it? Like what they say in Metro.
Oh yeah.
Who's gonna get it? I'm glad Chloe doesn't get that smart because then I would have gotten her all myself because no one else really wanted her. It's
Alright.
kind of squishy.
Oh, it's a squishy Shopkins.
Yeah, it's squishy.
Wait, here, wait.
It smells good.
See, guys, that's what it
Smells
is.
like a Shopkin.
Alright, are you ready to film me?
Yes.
Alright,
All right, let me take the camera. One last peek.
hold on. No, wait.
Oh,
Here,
wait.
keep it like that. Here. Okay, there you go. Okay, here. Hi,
last
guys. Alright, so I'm just gonna get the Boca popcorn and the Rice Krispies because we already have those, so I'm just gonna do those real quick.
Look at her hair.
Yeah, I dyed my hair today. You guys like it?
But you guys aren't probably going to see it today. So good morning, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are.
In this world. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
It is exactly 7:20 right now.
So, hi.
And there's our
Yes.
cat that is actually real. Just looks like a stuffy.
Cat is up there.
Snowball. Kirsten's afraid of Snowball. Snowball attacked Kirsten.
That's happy.
Woo.
Alrighty, guys. We're gonna wait. Alright. I'm sorry, you guys. Like, I'm taking forever with these because yeah. Alrighty. Oh, okay. So remember, these are the Rice Krispies. Oh wait, they have the detail. We have the. All right. Anyway, inside is we have a translucent Rice Krispies little cereal bag, and if you shake it.
Wait, let's give him a good look when it's not shaking. To turn around so they don't see the face. Yeah, so there are actually Rice Krispies in there.
So
And it's the Rice Krispies cereal.
box. So look, we just put them in there. Put the little bag of cereal. I want some cereal. Get some cereal. Okay, and then the Boom Chicken popcorn, sea salt popcorn, Angie's. So let's open this up. Bag. Oopsie. All right, let's see if I can do this without scissors.
Yays.
Oh, I think I got it. Yay. Okay. So guys, these are really cute. It's a three.
Oh.
Sorry. It's a 3-in-1
died.
Shopkins. It's a little corn kind of thing in the back. Cute. Very cute. Put that in there.
Your time limit's almost up.
Okay. And then guys, we have this popcorn stuff. Gotta open this up quickly.
Sorry guys, I'm not holding the camera right.
Okay, guys. Inside here. Oh, popcorn! Popcorn bag.
Yummy.
That's awesome. So, and the popcorn, you gotta pop it in the microwave first of all, people. And then the last one, we have a snack pack. They're usually like, oh yeah, so there are 2 of them in here because there are 2 little sections. So, let's open this one up first.
Wait. It says thick and fluffy. That's disgusting. Thick.
Sorry guys, this is taking forever. Gotta quickly open it up. Okay, hurry. Gotta show you guys this first. It's a squishy one. Put in there, and then this one is going to be the last one, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video because it's just the same thing. Ta-da, guys! So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you the next time you watch. Bye, guys!
Oh, and subscribe.
And subscribe.
And to my channel.
And turn on those post notifications. Bye.